Electronic Stability Program, or ESP, also known as Electronic Stability Control, or ESC, is a computerized safety system that enhances vehicle stability and prevents accidents. ESP monitors your steering input and vehicle behavior, automatically applying brakes to individual wheels when it detects loss of control. This prevents dangerous skidding, sliding, and rollover incidents. When the ESP light appears on your dashboard, it's communicating important information about the system's status. Understanding what different light patterns mean is crucial for your safety. A solid ESP light indicates a system malfunction that requires immediate attention. This means the ESP system is not functioning properly and cannot help prevent loss of control. A flashing ESP light means the system is actively working to maintain control of your vehicle. This is normal during slippery conditions when the system intervenes to prevent skidding. When you see the ESP light with an off indicator, it means the system has been manually disabled. You can usually re-enable it by pressing the ESP button in your vehicle. An ESP light accompanied by a wrench symbol indicates that maintenance is needed. This could mean sensor cleaning, calibration, or other routine maintenance procedures. Modern vehicles from 2024 and beyond feature advanced diagnostic capabilities. These include wireless diagnostic apps and enhanced fault codes that make troubleshooting more precise and accessible. Understanding your ESP system and its warning lights is essential for safe driving. When you see the ESP light, you now know what it means and can take appropriate action to maintain your vehicle's safety systems. The first and simplest method to reset your ESP light is the basic ignition reset. Turn your ignition completely off and wait 30 seconds. After restarting, drive straight for at least 50 feet. This allows the system to self-calibrate and often resolves temporary ESP faults. Method 2 involves steering wheel calibration. This is particularly useful when the ESP light appears after steering-related work or alignment. For a more thorough reset, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. This clears all stored parameters and forces the system to relearn. If the light persists after these resets, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve specific fault codes. This will pinpoint the exact problem area. Wheel speed sensors are the most common failure point. They can be cleaned during tire rotations or replaced if damaged. Always recalibrate after suspension work or wheel alignment. Remember, if these methods don't resolve the issue, professional diagnosis may be needed. Most ESP problems are sensor-related and can be fixed cost-effectively with proper troubleshooting.